Hi everyone. So this video is about quartiles. So for a vector of numbers, let d subscript a be the vector arranged from smallest to largest. So example, say if the vector here 7, 1, 3, 1, 2, 7, 1. So we're going to arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. So it looks like 1's the smallest. We have actually we have 3 1's. Then a 2, 3, and 2 7's. So here I've arranged the numbers from smallest to largest. Okay, so definition here, the median, also known as Q2 or the 50th percentile, is the middle value of d of a. So if there are two numbers in the middle, then the median is the average of the two middle numbers. We're going to look at an example in a second. The first quartile, also known as Q1 or the 25th percentile, is the median of dA when Q2 and all values to the right of it have been removed. And the third quartile, also known as Q3 or the 75th percentile, is the median of dA when Q2 and all the values to the left of it have been removed. Okay, so let's take a look at an example now. Okay, so here's our first example. So we've defined Q1, Q2, and Q3. So here's our vector of numbers. So first thing to do is arrange them from smallest to largest. So let's call it dA. Okay, it looks like here 2 is the smallest. Then we have a 4 next. Then we have, looks like a 7 next. Then we have a 10, looks like we have two 10s here. So it'd be 10, 10. And we have a 12 here. 12. We have a, looks like 15. A 20. And a 30. Okay, so I've arranged the numbers from smallest to largest. Now let's find Q2 first, the median. Okay, so to find the median or Q2, we're going to find the middle number. If there's no middle, we'll take the average of the two. So if you start on the outside and keep moving in one, looks like the 10 here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers on this side. So this would be our Q2. Okay, let's find, say, Q1 next. Okay, so for Q1, we're going to remove the median plus all the numbers to the right of it. So I'm left with these numbers then. And we're going to now find the median of those numbers. Well, notice here there is no middle, but 4 and 7 are in the middle positions. So I'm going to, Q1 then would be 4 plus 7 divided by 2. So Q1 would equal 4 plus 7 divided by 2. And that's 11 over 2. And you can check that's 5.5. So 5.5 would be our Q1. And now let's find our Q3. So to find the Q3 now, we're going to remove all the numbers including a median on this side, so we'll be left with these numbers here. So we're going to be looking at the median of those circle numbers right here. So it looks like 15 and 20. So our Q3 then would be 15 plus 20 over 2, which is 35 over 2. And you can check in your calculator that's 17.5. Okay. So we're done. So let's do one more example. Okay, so let's do part B. Okay, so here's our next example. Vector W equal to 5, 1, 6, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10. So let's first arrange these from smallest to largest. So doing that, we get then, So ranging from small to large, as you can check, 1's the smallest, and you have 2 2's, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So these are just these numbers up here arranged from smallest to largest. Now let's find the median. So let's look for a middle value. So notice here that the 5 and 6 are in the middle position, so it means then that Q2, our median would be 5 plus 6 over 2, which is 11 over 2. If you divide that, it's 5.5. Okay, now let's find Q1 next. So to find Q1, we're going to have to remove the median and all numbers to the right of it. So therefore, it would leave us with these numbers here. So it's going to be the middle in these ones. So it looks like there's 2 2's in the middle here. So Q1 then would be 2 plus 2 over 2, which is just equal to 2. Be 4 over 2, which is 2. Okay, let's find Q3 next. So to find Q3, we're going to remove the median again and all numbers to the left of it. So pretty much I'm left with these numbers here. So it's going to be the median of these circle numbers, 6, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like 8 and 9 are in the middle positions. So Q3 will be 8 plus 9 over 2, which is 17 over 2, which you can check is 8.5. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so I'm going to leave this video here. We'll continue with box plots in the next video.